Hey guys, it's Natasha. Welcome to today's video. Today we're doing a little Hawaii vlog because we are surfing with the roomies. All the roomies are coming and we're hitting the waves. I've only been surfing once. Emma has been surfing once. And then Jenna is an expert. She's the one who's going to be teaching us today. And then London also knows. And then Zoe also knows. Celeste is also her first time. She's like my actual roommate, and these are my housemates. Welcome to the Hawaii vlog, the first actual one where I can show you the beach and the things outside.
This is Jenna. And we got Emma. Zoe, do you want to be in the vlog?
Hi vlog.
Hey. This is the queen. Yeah. This is London, my other roommate.
Oh, hey.
Oh, everyone should follow her Ring account. What is it?
Yes, NAL Ring Co.
It's actually the cutest. This is my actual roommate. The other people are my housemate. This is Celeste. Hey.
Hi. Oh, you're changing? Oh. Let's keep it 14. PG-13. Oh, yeah.
You guys, this is the new way to wear a swimsuit.
I thought you were wearing the white one.
No. You wear a tank top with a swimsuit.
Why are you not wearing the white one?
It hugged my hips weird. I hated it.
I'm ready and I've been ready and all my roommates are not. Ladies! Today, ladies! Woo!
I look like a mom. Sorry.
Come on, we've been trying to leave for like 30 minutes.
Look at the queen!
The queen!
Oh, you look good in those glasses. Hey. Damn!
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I.
I don't know if you can see us, how much you can see us, but we're finally heading out. 3 millennia later, we're making it out, and it's a beautiful sunny day here on the island.
Yeah.
We're packing up the car, putting all the boards in.
Hey. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life.
We're here.
Hi everybody.
You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we
Are you ready? Cowabunga. Not me surfing. Not me surfing.
turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shows. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I
We're
loved you.
at the beach, and we got Fred. Do you guys want to introduce yourself?
Drop your links.
Yeah, I'm Bethany. She's so cute. I'm Addie, at Addie.Phillips on Instagram. Oh, I think it's Beth's back, so hit me up. Hit me up.
One more time, one more time.
I can't even breathe. Woo. Yay!
My experience, I would say I put in my retirement papers an hour after. Got ran over, got decapitated. This lady literally went, and I was like, look at my nose. I know, she literally just ran me over. I was like,
Oh, a lady!
oh, she straight
I
up.
thought you were talking
she
about like
straight
a
up
metaphor.
oh no, she straight up like looked at me and ran me over. I was like,
My arms are so sore. Gotta take off this strappy thing. Let me.
We're gonna tan on the board.
With what sun, sis?
Okay, well, he was there 2 seconds ago.
I was waiting in the water for Zoe to come with her GoPro. Never came. Zoe never came with her GoPro. She's just out here.
come out.
Session babes.
Oh, killer.
Got a couple waves in, no big deal.
If I got on like 3 halves, did I catch 1.5 waves?
0 zelts.
3 halves! Not using zelts. 3 halves. So see, I got on, kind of went, didn't stand, got on the second one, kind of went, didn't stand, got on the third one. So 3 halves is 1.5. I caught 1.5 waves. Ah! Okay. Yeah, and then I got smashed by some more. There's no sun. There's no sun to be seen. Just
There
clear
never
sky.
has been. So.
Oh wait! Speaking of sun.
Show me your skills.
What skills?
Since my 10 pushes a day really just did me good in that.
One more time, I should've told you that I loved you every night. All that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you.
We're about to go in for the second time. Hopefully we can catch some waves this time. Last time I caught 1.5. The water's cold. Oh! It always takes a minute to get used to.
One more time, one more time. Would you stay?
I should probably not be here. I'm dab smack in the middle. We keep missing the good ones. We keep getting wrecked by the water. We're just out here chilling.
If I had been honest with you from the start, don't say it's okay if I'm falling and you're running away.
We're out here for round 2, and we have caught 0 waves. Emma is just chilling, just taking a nap in the water. And I don't know if it's my skills or that there's no waves. Literally, oh, except that guy who you just saw go up. I think we're too far out this, so I think I gotta swim in more.
You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turned into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shone. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. All that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. I should've told you that I loved you.
Hello, surf session is over, and when I tell you that I literally almost died, I'm not joking. I was drowning for a long time, but that's a story for another time. Time to go home.